Well, I got this tankless hot water heater hooked up, and I'll show you how it works. I bought it off of Amazon, 299 bucks. And anyway, there's a gas line, propane. I got a propane tank right here hooked up to it. That's the chimney right there. I'll explain it here in a minute. I bought this kit here off of Amazon. These are drains. You can drain it, flush it out. You hook up a pump and, drain out the lime or whatever you got in there. And then this here sets your heat. And then I don't know exactly. I haven't, I don't know everything about it. I just got it hooked up, and then there's a lever under here for the water flow. And then I cut out a dryer. I had a dryer hole saw, 4-inch, I think it is. Put me a, because this here it gets hot, and I don't know nothing about it, but it's supposed to keep it from, getting burning something. So, and then anyway, air can come in here and goes down here and feeds the flame. And then there's the the overheating thing here. And then here I turn it on, demonstrate it here. Got this shower unit here off of where did I buy it? eBay, I think. It was pretty expensive, like 199 bucks or something, but it came with the faucets and everything. Shower curtain, and just so happens there was a window in the way, so I had to cut that out. But anyway, yeah. Here, I'll show you what it does here when you turn the hot water on. There it kicks on, and I guess that's a fan and flame, and that's water going out, and it shows you the water temperature going up. At 98. I got it set, I think, around 105. I believe that's what I got it set at. It's already at 101 right now. It's pretty hot right there. I guess it's not too complicated, I guess, it was kind of a little bit. And then you shut the water off, and it shuts off, and then the fan cools it down, I guess. But anyway, I don't know what I'll do in the winter time with that. So I got some rock wool I could probably put around it to put something up there. I don't know. I haven't figured that part out yet. I got on some YouTube videos, but I don't know. I didn't have no great advice there. So you don't want it to freeze. So I think I forget what I gave for those there. That set, this came with this and this, and I think that was about it. I think it was like $35, $2.99 for the heater. And of course some pipe, and had to buy a hose there with a regulator on it. Forget what it was, $29 or $19, I don't know. But anyway, I just had this building here. I put this fiberglass wall up. Fiberglass paneling. I don't have it up there, but it's got 2-inch foam all around it. All it is just a box. It's a 4x8 box, and it's all made out of treated lumber. So, you might want to know the drain. I just got the drain hooked up here. Runs down here. It's just the water runs out in the yard there. And that's I guess that's about it, huh? All right. I hope that's helps somebody to hook us up. I watched some videos. I didn't see much. So anyway, there you go. Make sure you got and it's got a plug-in cord right there. And make sure you got a good extension cord to plug in, or the thing won't light up and work, because I know I done tried it. I thought something was wrong with it, but the extension cord was, wasn't big enough. Anyway, that's it. Bye.